go. Air hammer fun. There you go, just work it over. Just go beep, beep, beep. There you go. It's getting there. You're almost there. You're going to want to focus around the holes because those are spot welds, and that's where it's held in.
So look right here?
Like around each hole. Like go straight down at the hole.
Gotcha.
And it'll break that weld.
Yes, sir.